In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Motorola phone is not turning on even when you press and hold the power button. So to fix this, first thing you need to do is remove any case or cover that you are using. So sometimes these cases can hold down or block the power button and then prevent your phone from turning on. Once you have removed the case, make sure that the power button is not stuck. So try pressing it once and you should feel a click. If the power button is working fine, what you can do is simply press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. So keep holding the power button even after this Hello Moto screen appears. Wait for it to disappear and then appear again. Once it reappears, you can release the power button and then simply wait for your phone to boot back up. If this method doesn't work, there is also another thing you can do. So for this, you'll need to press volume down and the power button together, but while doing that you also need to plug in the charging cable. So simply rest your fingers against the volume down and power button and then press those buttons and then plug in the charger at the same time. You should see this fast boot screen. Simply ignore it. Keep holding the volume down and the power button until you see this Hello Moto screen. Once you do, you can release the buttons and then simply wait for your phone to boot back up. It might take 10 to 20 seconds, but your phone should turn on as usual. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.